Namaste. A very good morning from Laughter Yogi Kishore Bhatt and Laughter Yogi Seema Bhatt. Today is the first day of the fourth lockdown. Lockdown, my dear friends. It is lockdown, but we are not knocked down. Okay? We will stand up and we will remain fit in these 14 days too. What we have to do is make use of something which God has given us, and that is laughter. And that is what we are going to share with you. What we do daily in the morning, we are going to share with you. I request you to do it every day along with it, okay? In laughter yoga, we sing, we dance, we play like children, and we laugh a lot. And along with that, we do a lot of clapping. Today I'm going to show you different ways of clapping also. But let's start with just relaxing our body, just loosening our body, okay? Just start doing this along with laughter. And the most important thing, breathe from your nose and laugh, okay? Laugh for no reason. I am not going to crack jokes, do any comedy or make use of any humor. Just laugh. God has given this gift to us. Let us make use of it to make fit ourselves, physically and mentally. Keep oxygenating your body. Jingalala boo boo. Very good, very good. What we have done is we have just loosened our limbs and we are warming up our body. Now start clapping, come on. Along with laughter, along with laughter. Very good, very good. Come on, keep your hands straight. Keep your hands straight and just do this. Before that, okay, do this. Like this. Along with laughter. We have to make use of our fingers too, not just to make use of it on mobile or laptop or remote. Exercise your fingers, your elbows are straight. Now do this. Very good, very good. Keep your hands like this, thumb inside and clockwise. See, I've already started sweating, even though the AC is on, the fan is on. Total cardio exercise, just sitting at one place. Reverse. My daughter is getting tired holding the camera. Very good. Keep your hands like this. What you have to do now, exercise your wrist. How? Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Okay? Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Breathe. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 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 Keep it like this, Very good. Now the same thing, I'm just doing it once. You have to keep it, repeating it for twice, thrice, okay? Till you start feeling nice, okay? Just keep laughing. Now keep your hands like this. Hands like this. Now, ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 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 Enjoy. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 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 Again. Very good. Very good. Yay! Like a child. Very good. Very good. Yay! Tali. Ho, ho. Ho, ho. Ha, ha. Ho, ho. Ha, ha. Ho, ho. Ha, ha. Ho, ho. Ha, ha. Ho, ho. Very good. I'm keeping my legs down because even while sitting I can make use of my legs too, like we are, like jogging. Now what I will do is different types of clapping. We do a lot of clapping while we do laughter yoga because there are a lot many acupressure points over here. I have to activate it. The simple way of clapping is this: finger to finger, palm to palm. That is the laughter yoga way, okay? With a smile and a laughter, okay? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Okay, along with that you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What I've done is I'm coming on my toes, okay, like though I'm jogging, I'm exercising my calf muscles, the second heart of our body, okay, I'm exercising the calf. If you're fitter, do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm counting. You can just laugh. Keep laughing. Okay, mama, you will laugh. I will count. Okay, along with. And if you can't lift your legs, do like this. If you can't even do that, just clap. Okay, but you have to clap and laugh. How? Seema will laugh and I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What I have done is, after every count, I'm taking a breath from my nose, not from my mouth. Keep that in mind. Even when you're doing it, counting, even when you're laughing, like okay. Now the second, lot many types I've got around, I think around 8 minutes, because I'm planning to do 15 minutes episode. So every day if you do, just watch and do it. We have to laugh for 10 to 15 minutes to get all the physiological and psychological and all the changes in our body. So I'm trying to fit in 15 minutes. So I'll just see the watch and I'll end it over there, okay? In the end, a couple of minutes we will just laugh. The second part of it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what you have to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My legs are moving. 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come on, do a bit of breathing. Next clapping I'll do after that. Come on, take a deep breath. Breathe in. Fill in your lungs. 2, 3, 4. One more time. 5. Now you take your hands up and while it's coming down, laugh with me. Okay, a couple of times we'll do that. I will try to extend it as much as I can in one breath. That is how we check our lung capacity, okay? Very good, very good, very good. So the first clapping was simple, normal clapping. Second clapping was up. Third clapping was side. Fourth clapping was this. Okay? Side like this. And the fourth was exactly opposite down. Now what we have to do, combine the up and the down. How like this? 1, 2, last one. 3, 4, breathing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I have got just 4 minutes, so I'll repeat everything again. The rest of the clapping ways I will do in the next episode. Okay? So how we start first? Along with the legs. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 1. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. I'm laughing because my daughter is laughing. My daughter is laughing because she is looking at Seema और Seema सोच रही कहाँ फंस because ये मैंने सुबह डिसाइड किया कि मैं ये करूँगा जब मैं उठ के कर रहा था इसको सीमा को कुछ बताया नहीं कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ बेचारी सोच रही मैं कहाँ फंस गई हूँ नो प्रॉब्लम देखिए जितना होता है उतना कीजिए just sitting at one place and I've just done part of it look at the breathing मतलब धाप चल रही है you know short of breath that is what laughter yoga is it is total cardio अभी हमको सिर्फ 1 मिनट हंसना है 1 मिनट ओके 1 मिनट for no reason how just take a deep breath and gradually we will increase the pace okay क्लैपिंग के साथ। Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. This is what we do to keep ourselves fit. घर में रह के भी फिट हो सकते हैं. Not just physical fitness, my friends. Mental fitness is also very important. Because कहते हैं कि ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस है तो स्माइल कीजिए. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस है तो स्ट्रेच योर स्माइल. हम एक कदम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, हम हंसते हैं. स्माइल तो हम करेंगे, 24 घंटा स्माइल करते हैं. प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, आएंगे जाएंगे. सूरज आता है जाता है लेकिन रोज आता है. ऐसे ही आज भी हम हंसेंगे, कल भी हंसेंगे, ताउम्र हंसते रहेंगे. कैसे? थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू.